If you like to get the money that you earned right away, then this video is for you because I have some more legit websites that pay you daily, and you're not going to want to miss this. The first one we're looking at today is a website called Payhip, so you're going to find them at payhip.com. This platform allows you to sell your courses, digital downloads, coaching, and memberships. They also provide you with marketing tools for email marketing and easy integrations if you have a website as well. If you want to sell your knowledge, this is a platform that you can very easily do that with. They also provide you with marketing tools so you can create coupon codes to give people a little incentive to get your product, and they even hook you up with affiliate links so you can create links for others to promote your product. So you actually have the ability to give the person that promotes your product a small percentage of that sale for getting your customer. That is another option for you and is available for you worldwide. So that first one is payhip.com. You can easily cash out your earnings on PayPal or Stripe, and it is also absolutely free. The only thing they take is a 5% commission of each sale. So you can market your digital products. This could become a passive income for you. So the next website we're talking about is a very similar website, and this is Gumroad.com. So you can actually sell productivity tips, mindset tips, for example, and much more. Now, both websites Payhip and Gumroad are going to be very easy to get your money, so you can get paid right away with these websites. However, you still have to remember that these products you're not just going to throw up on these websites and magically money's gonna fall out of the sky, and you're gonna get paid. You actually have to market your products, so whether it be marketing your products on social media, but this definitely has the potential of making some passive income if you do the work up front. And Gumroad is also available worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can use this website to earn some money with your digital products. So you'll find this one at Gumroad.com. Alright, so the next website we're talking about is actually something that you can do on your phone. This is going to be with the Premise app. You'll find more information about this one on contributors.premise.com. For this one, you can share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. When you join the community, you can get paid by completing tasks. You will browse through their task marketplace and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes and get paid. You can choose the option to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin, depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is another way that you can get paid instantly worldwide, and this is with the Premise app. More information over at contributors.premise.com. The next one I have for you is the Enroll app, and you'll get the information at enrollapp.com. You can see what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the scenes. So they are going to give you tests for your devices, and you're going to test them out and give them your feedback. You will be paid right away. You will get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. They say that you can change the web, be a part of the internet's next revolution, help good ideas happen, make suggestions, and stop bad ones in their tracks. So you're basically going to test out their websites, their apps, and if they're on the wrong path with some really bad or cringe ideas, you can let them know before they make a fool out of themselves. So this is enrollapp.com. So the next one is prolific.com, and this is also a website where you can earn money from your opinions, from surveys, and by sharing your unique experiences. Now, for this one, they have a wide variety of thoughtful, fun, and unusual research. So they have some examples for you over here. For example, listen to a sound. What shape do you imagine? Or imagine you're a member of a jury. What will you decide? So these are all different and unique. Your answers are anonymous, completely flexible hours. They pay a minimum of $8 an hour, many pay more. Enjoy business and instant cash outs too. So with Prolific, you'll be paid Tuesdays and Fridays for your first 4 times of getting paid. After that, you can cash out instantly, okay? So after your first 4 payments, you cash out instantly every time. So this one is prolific.com. The next one is Google Opinion Rewards, and this is also to help out Google with your opinions. They want to know what you think. You can complete short surveys and get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credit for each one you complete. Topics include everything from opinion polls to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys. And they'll notify you when a survey is waiting. And this is an app you can download on any device. So you can find more information about it at surveys.google.com or just download the app and get started. Now, the next one we're talking about is Handy, and you'll find information on handy.com. This is where you can get started helping people in your neighborhood, and you can also build your own customers through this app. So you can help people move, you can help people with cleaning, with laundry, whatever it is that they need help with. There are busy people out there in your neighborhood that don't have time to do these things for themselves. Now, for this one, you make great pay with an opportunity for bonuses and tips on a job well done. You get a flexible schedule and easy payments, so there's no more tracking down your customers for payments. Your payments are directly deposited into your bank account as soon as the job is complete. So therefore, you get paid instantly. The requirements are that you must have paid experience with services you are applying for and must be authorized to work in the country you're applying in, and you must have excellent customer service skills. The requirements are that you must have paid experience with services you are applying for and must be authorized to work in the country you're applying in, and you must have excellent customer service skills. So if this is you, then Handy could be something that you can get paid instantly with, and you'll find this over at handy.com. Up next is papa.com. You can become a Papa Pal and you can basically help older people get around, older people that are in your neighborhood or in the vicinity where you can get to. You can help them out with groceries, with shopping, you can even help them with companionship. They may just want somebody around. So basically, this website, you can make a difference in your community. You can earn money with flexible part-time work on your own schedule. Learn how you can be a pal to an older adult, support working families, and more. Enter your phone number to start the application. So with this, you can work on your own schedule, and you can make a difference in your community, and you'll find more information about this one on papa.com.